Stand up, all of you.
Morning, ma'am.
Have a seat, please. How are you?
I am fine, thank you, ma'am.
Why are you not sitting? You should sit fast. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, without wasting the time, I am going to start. So today's topic is in science, components of food. Have you taken any food item in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you taken?
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you taken breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Why we are taking food?
Why
Why do we need food?
Ma'am, for energy.
Only energy giving, okay? Food gives us energy for our survival, okay? हमारे सर्वाइविंग के लिए, जिंदा रहने के लिए हमें किसकी जरूरत पड़ती है? फूड, ओके? फूड हेल्प्स इन ग्रोथ ऑफ आवर बॉडी. हमारी बॉडी की जो वृद्धि है वो किससे होती है? फूड से, ओके? रिपेयर आल्सो, इट रिपेयर आवर बॉडी एंड मेनी वाइटल प्रोसेसेस गोइंग इन द बॉडी. जो बहुत सारी प्रोसेस जो बॉडी में चलती हैं वो किससे होती है? किसके द्वारा होती है? थ्रू द फूड. विच एनर्जी कम्स फ्रॉम द फूड. अगर फूड नहीं लेंगे तो कोई भी एनर्जी नहीं मिलेगी. नो एनर्जी. जब बॉडी में एनर्जी नहीं होगी तो वी कांट डू एनी वर्क. फॉर इवन ब्लिंकिंग द आई ऑल्सो. आईज को ब्लिंक करने के लिए भी किसकी जरूरत पड़ती है? एनर्जी. एंड दैट एनर्जी कम्स फ्रॉम द फूड. So today's topic, components of food. Food के part. So what are the sources of food? How many types of sources of the food? Do you know? कितने source हैं food के? कहाँ से food आता है? From where do food come? Food कहाँ से आता है? No idea. Say outside. बाहर बोलो मुंह के.
Plants.
Plants and animals. Cereal. What happened to you? खाना कहाँ से मिलता है? Plants and animals. There are two sources of food. First, plant and second, animals. Main source of the food, that is the plants. Outside completely you had. What is this? जैसे आपने खाना खाया ही नहीं कभी. First time I am introducing to you about the food. Is it? So plants are the main source of food and secondary animals. Understand? दूसरा क्या है? Animals है. Today component of food. Food के component means घटक कौन-कौन से हैं? Today we will read about it. But today I am not going to explain. Today I want to check your reading. If you don't know how to read, अगर आपको पढ़ना नहीं आएगा, you will not make your understanding. फिर आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. After that you can't reply. उसके बाद आप जवाब नहीं दे सकते हैं, आंसर नहीं दे सकते हैं. तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले सबको क्या आना चाहिए? रीडिंग. It is the most important about the study. पढ़ाई में सबसे important क्या है? रीडिंग करना. और सही रीडिंग होगी, then you will make correct understanding. When you will understand, after that you can reply. उसके बाद आप reply करेंगे. So today I want to check your reading. So are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So now I am going to read first paragraph. Are you seeing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me read. You will make your reading like me. Components of food. See in your book. In chapter 1, we made list of the food items that we eat. We also identified food items eaten in different parts of India and marked these on its map. A meal could consist of chapati, dal and brinjal curry. Another may be rice, sambar and a vegetable preparation of lady's finger. Bhindi in Hindi, okay, lady's finger. Yet another meal could be appam, fish curry and vegetables. So you will read like this. Now Arohi, stand up. You will read, okay? Keep textbook down. Sit.
In lower classes.
Now, activity 1 you will read.
Yes.
Use your pen, otherwise fingertip.
Our meals usually
Loudly.
Our meals usually have at least one item made of some kind of grains. Grain.
Uh,
Another item.
Other
item could be. Items could be a dal or a dish of meat and vegetable. It may also vegetables. It may also include items like curry, curd, buttermilk, and pickles. Some examples of meals from different regions are given in table 1.1. Select food items and enter these in table 1.1.
Okay, little bit you have to try more, okay? Because about the singular, plural, s, yes, don't forget. Now, Akshita, are you ready? Okay, so we from where you have to start? Okay, yes, read.
Sometimes we may not really have all this variety in our meals. If we are traveling, we may
Use
not.
comma also. Traveling, then little bit stop.
We may eat whatever is available on the way. It may not be possible for some of us to eat such a variety of items most of the time.
Okay, Akshita, she has done. Now, Arush, where she has stopped, from there you have to start from this side.
There must
No, just wait. Let me come.
There must be some reason thought.
Though
Why meals usually consist of such a distribution. Do you think that our body needs different kinds of food for some special purpose?
This is the like question you should read. Do you think that our body needs different kinds of food for some special purpose? This is the question. Question की तरह read करना है. Understand? Yeah. Now, Isneha, are you ready? What is the next? Heading also 2.1 in loud sound.
2.1 What do different food items contain?
Contain, that is contain, not contain.
We know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients which we get from plants or animals. These ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. The major nutrients in our food are named
carbohydrates,
proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. In addition, food contains dietary fibers and water, which are also needed by our body.
Yes, a little bit you should change. Even tone also, okay? Shidi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Where she has stopped?
I'm here.
Okay, so
Do all food contains also
foods,
these,
that is, do all foods contains
It's
all
all
these
these
nutrients?
nutrients.
It is the question.
with some simple method we can test whether cooked food for a
Or a raw
ingredients contains one or more of these nutrients. The tests for presence of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are simpler
All should see in their book, their textbook.
to do.
Use fingertip.
Do as
Compared.
to the
Tests
tests for other nutrients. Let us do these tests and
Record
record all
our observations in table 2.2. So you should make your reading more strong. Okay? Yes.
Ma'am.
I am not seeing your flow. जैसे आपकी क्लास है, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर क्लास, यू आर स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 6, उतना फ्लो नहीं आ रहा है अभी स्टडी का, नॉट अप टू दैट लेवल जहाँ तक होना चाहिए. ओके, यस. सो नेक्स्ट डे अदर चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो, दोज हु आर absent, they will come again. We will try for reading, and next day I will explain this chapter. Understand? So are you happy? Yes. Try more and more, all of you. Okay? खूब ट्राई कीजिए, कोशिश कीजिए. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. That's why I'm saying you have to try. Okay? Yes. So thanks.